record for you our beginners solo ballroom Latin summary of a rumba practice routine number 4. What a lot of words. Okay, so rumba routine number 4. Now this was taught in our beginners online solo class on the 14th of June 22. So if you're in my video library and you're looking for the full 1 hour class which ended with this routine, you want the 14th of June 22. And if you're just watching this on YouTube, then don't worry, you don't need to have done the full class, but this is only a very quick summary. So let me make a little start. We started with 4 closed basics. I was on ladies timing, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4, and 2, 3, 4. 4 New Yorkers over here first. 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4, and 2, 3, 4. 2 spot turns. 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4. I then went for 4 shoulder to shoulders. 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4, and then into the corners for some little rocks. 2, 3, 4, 1. 2, 3, 4, 1. 2, 3, 4, 1. 2, 3, 4, 1. 2, 3, 4, 1. 2, 3, 4, 1. 2, 3, 4, 1. 2, 3, 4, 1. 1 bar, back basic preparation, and then 6 walks around in a circle. 2, 3, 4. Walk, 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 walk. 1 side basic or cucaracha. 2, 3, 4. And then 4 alternative basics to finish off. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4, and 2, 3, 4. Now, arms. We did a lot of arm movement. So on the side basic, the cucaracha, we opened the door, pulled it towards us. On the shoulder to shoulder, because we're dancing solo, not with a partner, we had 1 hand up and 1 hand out. So you want to add those in when you practice. Nice big arm movements. And on the New Yorkers, again, we weren't holding on to a partner, so you could adapt the movement for out or in front and up as you wish. So I was doing this one, and here, forwards I have a nice L shape for my New Yorkers. And then on any of the other movements, natural arms. So keeping them here, away from the armpits, and letting a little bit of natural movement so that I could relax and do my sides. So, like I said, very short summary. That is 4 closed basics, 4 New Yorkers, 2 spot turns, 4 shoulder to shoulder, 4 sets for the Cuban rocks, 1 back basic preparation, 6 walks, 1 side basic, and 4 alternative basics. There we go. What a big mouthful. That was a rumba beginners practice routine number 4. Thank you so much for supporting me. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button if you're watching this on YouTube, and hit the little notification button. And if you're in my website, then you've got everything that you need. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.